The Indian Railways launched India's first indigenous semi-high-speed train, Vande Bharat Express. The first Vande Bharat Express train was flagged off on the 15th of February 2019 on the New Delhi Kanpur to Varanasi route. The Vande Bharat Express can run up to a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. It has travel classes like Shatabdi Train but with better facilities, and it aims to provide a new travel experience to passengers. An indigenously semi-high speed train now operates on 14 routes in India. Here's the list of a complete route and schedule for Vande Bharat. First, New Delhi to Varanasi Vande Bharat Express. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched India's first Vande Bharat Express on the New Delhi to Varanasi route on February 15, 2019. The train runs between New Delhi and Varanasi and stops at Kanpur and Allahabad. The train covers a distance of 771 km in 8 hours. Second, New Delhi to Shri Vaishno Devi Mata Katra Vande Bharat. This is India's second semi-high speed train launched by Home Minister Amit Shah on October 3, 2022. The train runs between New Delhi to Katra and covers a distance of 655 km in 8 hours. The stops include Ambala Kent, Ludhiana and Jammu Tawi. Third, Gandhinagar to Mumbai Vande Bharat Express. This Vande Bharat Express train was introduced on 30th September 2022. The Gandhinagar capital to Mumbai Central Vande Bharat Express train covers a distance of 520 km in 6 hours and 20 minutes. Fourth, the Ambandura to New Delhi Vande Bharat Express. This train was inaugurated on October 13, 2022. The train runs from New Delhi to Himachal Pradesh. The stops cover Ambala, Chandigarh and Anandpur Sahib. Fifth, Mysuru to Puratichi Thalaivar Dr. MGR Chennai Central was the fifth Vande Bharat Express train was inaugurated on November 11, 2022. This train from Chennai to Mysuru stops at Katapadi and Bengaluru and covers a distance of 497 km in 6 hours and 25 minutes. Sixth, the Nagpur to Bilaspur Vande Bharat Express connecting Nagpur and Bilaspur was flagged off by PM Modi on December 11, 2022. The train from Nagpur to Bilaspur covers the journey in 5 hours and 30 minutes. Its stops include Raipur, Durg and Kondia. 7th, the Havra to New Jalpaiguri Vande Bharat Express train was inaugurated on December 30, 2022. The Eastern India's first semi-high-speed train covers the entire journey in 7.5 hours and stops at Bolpur, Malda town and Barsoi. 8th, the Secunderabad to Visakhapatnam Vande Bharat Express was launched on January 15, 2023 and it is the 8th semi-high-speed train in the country. The train covers a distance of 699 km in 8 hours and 30 minutes. During its journey, the train covers Warangal, Khammam, Vijayawada Junction, Rajamudrai and Visakhapatnam stations. 9th, Mumbai to Solapur Vande Bharat Express is the 9th train and commenced on February 11, 2023. The train enhances connectivity between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Solapur. It covers a distance of 455 kilometers in 6 hours and 35 minutes. During its journey, the train halts at Dadar, Kalyan, Pune and Gurudwadi. 10th, the Mumbai to Sainagar Shirdi Vande Bharat Express is India's 10th Vande Bharat Express train was flagged by PM Narendra Modi. It runs across the state of Maharashtra. It covers the approximately 340 km distance in just 5.25 hours. The train from Mumbai to Shirdi halts at Dadar, Thane and Nasik Road. 11th, Bhopal to New Delhi Vande Bharat Express is the Indian Railways 11th Vande Bharat Express was flagged on 1st April 2023. This train from Bhopal's Rani Kamlapati station to Hazrat Nizamuddin station instead of New Delhi railway station. 12th, the Secunderabad to Tirupati Vande Bharat Express was launched on 8th April 2023. The train covers Secunderabad to Tirupati in just 8 hours and 30 minutes. 13th, Chennai to Coimbatore Vande Bharat Express train was flagged by PM Narendra Modi on April 9th, 2023. This train operates between Chennai and Coimbatore in 6 hours and 10 minutes. 14th, Ajmer to Delhi Kanpur Vande Bharat Express train is Rajasthan's first train was launched on 14th April 2023. This train operates between Ajmer and Delhi Kanpur with stops at Jaipur, Alwar and Gurgaon in 5 hours and 15 minutes.